I was personally selected as an ElevenLabs ambassador because my clones are among the top performers on the platform. Before that, I was a dubbing specialist for ElevenLabs, where I was translating and dubbing international content into French. One major takeaway from that experience is that a scripted voice simply don't work for those productions, and that represents a great opportunity for your clones. If you want your clone to be used on an international channel like MrBeast or Yes Theory, it needs to sound natural and spontaneous. This is why I came up with the simulated podcast technique. Instead of reading a boring script for 2 hours, we're going to simulate a real podcast interview. So let's dive in. Alright, so first I open Gemini and I ask it to create a specific prompt that I will paste into another discussion. This will tell the AI to act exactly like a popular podcast host and interview me on a topic I'm truly passionate about, such as entrepreneurship, parenting, or gardening. Since you need a mobile version of Gemini for this, you can use your phone. Personally, I use a free emulator called BlueStacks that I can run on my PC. From there, I turn on Gemini Live and I hit record. I just talk to Gemini like I'm sitting in a real studio, and here is where the magic happens. Because I'm answering these questions completely on the spot, the audio captures real emotion, natural vocal inflections, pauses, and genuine reactions. This is exactly the kind of expressive data a voice clone needs. You can literally do this for an hour or two and get an incredible data set. Hey Joe, are we rolling?
Yes, we are absolutely live, man. Hey Thierry, how things have been for you since taking on that role as an ambassador for ElevenLabs?
Things have been absolutely crazy, Joe. I've been able to launch my own studio and now I work with corporate clients, so that's an amazing journey. I'm so grateful for ElevenLabs. Once you're done recording, the cleanup is fairly simple. Drop the audio file into a DAW. I personally use Reaper. And just cut out all the parts where Gemini is talking, leaving only your raw answers. Add a quick compressor, a subtle EQ, a noise gate to kill any background noise, and you're good to go. You have an ultra-natural conversational audio file that ElevenLabs will absolutely love. There you have it, a simple way to build a clean dataset for your clones. You can grab the exact prompt I have used by heading over to ElevenAmbassador.com. And since this channel is brand new, your support means everything. Hit that subscribe button and let me know in the comments what I should cover next. Should I do a full breakdown of how much I've made as a clone creator? Or are you more curious about which specific clones are generating the most income right now? Let me know your pick below and I'll talk to you soon.